Hello and welcome to class 12th English preparations. Today we are going to start a new poetry that is titled as Aunt Jennifer's Tigers by Adrienne Rich. If you remember, Adrienne Rich had also written a poetry that you had in class 10th that was titled as Trees. And if you remember that, you might be knowing that Adrienne Rich is actually a feminist writer who talks about female rights and standing for women, who talks about the male patriarchy system and the oppression of women in society. Before starting the poetry, I would like to ask you some questions that will make you understand the theme of the poetry. We say that we are living in 21st century where men and women are equal. We are shouldering the responsibilities and we are handling the family and work and everything together. How many of you genuinely feel that men and women are equal? Just have a look in your families. If you feel that, that's wonderful. You are blessed, you are fortunate, you are graceful. But still, if we compare, there's always a difference in men and women because we have been living in a male-dominated society from the time civilization began. And it is rooted so profoundly that it's very difficult to uproot it. Even today, when a girl gets married, it is expected that she should shift to her in-laws' place. Even today, when she gets married, she has to change her surname. Even today, when it comes to sacrificing the career, it is expected that the women should sacrifice her career because she is the ultimate caretaking person of the family. If she is working, if she is managing her career, then who is going to look at the family? All the adaptations, adjustments are expected from women. Even today, if a family is broken, if a marriage is broken, the blame comes on the lady. So, yes, we talk about equality, but still equality is not existing to that level. No doubt the condition of women has improved dramatically, drastically over the last few decades. बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट आया है, लेकिन फिर भी अगर हम इक्वालिटी की बात करते हैं तो इतनी इक्वालिटी भी नहीं है जितनी बात की जाती है. चलिए, तो अब आते हैं पोइट्री पे. पोइट्री में एक्चुअली हमारे पास एक लेडी है जिनका नाम है आंट जेनिफर. आंट जेनिफर हु इज अनहैप्पी विद हर मैरिटल लाइफ और इसीलिए उन्होंने टाइगर्स बनाए हैं. सी, आंट जेनिफर हैड अ सबकॉन्शियस डिजायर ऑफ फ्रीडम. वी नो, जो भी यहाँ पे आर्टिस्ट हैं, जो लिखते हैं, ड्राइंग करते हैं, पेंटिंग करते हैं, वो मेरे साथ एग्री करेंगे कि हम यूजुअली क्या लिखते हैं या क्या बनाते हैं. या तो वो चीज़ जो हमें बहुत पसंद है या वो चीज़ जो हम पाना चाहते हैं लेकिन पा नहीं पाए. ठीक है, तो आंट जेनिफर जो है वो क्या बना रही है? टाइगर्स बना रही है. इमेजिन अ टाइगर. टाइगर को डिस्क्राइब करने की जरूरत ही नहीं. जस्ट क्लोज योर आइज एंड इमेजिन अ टाइगर. द वॉक ऑफ अ टाइगर सिंबलाइजेज एवरीथिंग. टाइगर की वॉक सब कुछ बता देती है जो भी बताना होता है. So, let us begin the poetry and understand it. Aunt Jennifer's tigers prance across the screen. Aunt Jennifer के जो टाइगर हैं वो स्क्रीन पे जंप करते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Actually, she is doing embroidery. Bright topaz denizens of a world of green. Topaz is पुखराज. It's a precious yellow gemstone. वो ऐसे चमक रहे हैं जैसे वो पुखराज के बने हुए हों. They do not fear the men beneath the tree. Here there is a sarcastic comment. Here there is a contrast. Tiger do not fear the men. Fear the men, sorry, but women are afraid of men. They pace in sleek chivalric certainty. Pace is moving, sleek is shining, chivalric is heroic, certainty is confidence. वो जैसे मूव कर रहे हैं ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे कॉन्फिडेंस जो है वो मूव कर रहा है. नाउ इन लाइन नंबर 3 and 4 we have anaphora. Remember children, when one word or a phrase is repeated in 2 consecutive lines, it is anaphora. Aunt Jennifer's fingers fluttering through her wool find even the ivory needle hard to pull. Ivory needle जो है वो जो बुनाई करने के लिए काम में आती है, तो वो उसके हाथों को ऐसे वूल के ऊपर मूव कर रही है और वो जब आइवरी नीडल को पुल करने की कोशिश कर रही है वो भी उसको मुश्किल लग रहा है क्योंकि उसके हाथ डर के मारे और उम्र के कारण कांप रहे हैं. The massive weight of Uncle's wedding band sits heavily upon Aunt Jennifer's hand. So this is symbolic, this is metaphoric. जो wedding band आंट ने पहना है वो इतना भारी है कि उसने आंट के हाथों को दबा दिया है और वो बोझ वो झेल नहीं पा रही है. Remember the chapter Lost Spring. The steel canister seemed heavier than the plastic bag he carried so lightly over his shoulder. When aunt is dead, her terrified hands will lie. उनके मरने के बाद उनके मरे जो हाथ हैं वो दर्शाएंगे. Still ringed with ordeals she was mastered by. दर्शाएंगे उन struggles को जिसको उसने master किया. The tigers in her panel that she made will go on prancing proud and unafraid. वो tigers जो उन्होंने बनाए हैं वो उनके मरने के बाद भी वैसे ही भागते हुए, दौड़ते हुए, जंप करते हुए दिखाई देंगे. So this is the end of the poetry on Jennifer's Tigers. If you are finding it difficult to understand, you can replay it. If you have still confusions lingering in your mind, you want to know about poetry devices, you want to know the story is more in depth, you want to know about the previous year's question papers, just send me a message and we'll work on it. Thank you so much.